Here's how to connect this inverter. First, download the app Smart Life from the App Store. Open the app, give it the necessary permissions, and log in. Choose a login method using your phone number or Wechat. After logging in, you'll see a list of relevant devices on the main page. Tap Add, grant any required permissions. Then go back and click Next at the bottom to track the device adding progress. When the device is successfully added, you'll see a green check mark. AP Finish at the bottom to view the connected device's status. Select any device to check its operational status. Here, you can monitor its operation, energy storage, power output, and more. If you want multiple users to access the device's data, go to My in the bottom right corner. Then select Family Management to create a group or household, naming it whatever you like. To invite others to join, go to the Created Group and select Add Member from the options below. Tap Invite. Which will generate a unique invitation code for sharing. The invited member can go to Family Management and select Join a Family. Then enter the invitation code to join and share data. That's everything you need to know about operating this photovoltaic system.